In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can find and sync contacts on Instagram. So let's dive right in. After opening Instagram, you will be on this homepage. You have to open up your profile. And from here, if you click on these three lines that's showing right top side, it will open up this settings and activity. Scroll down. Here you have to open this account center. Open it. Now from account center, if you scroll little bit, you will find here your information and permissions. Open it, and here you will find these two sections, and in the second section you will find upload contacts. Click here and then simply choose account. So if we want to find and sync contacts on Instagram, we will select here our Instagram account. Then simply turn on this option. After turning this on, it will show you to access your contacts. You have to click on this allow, and then you will find this notification contacts connected. And then if you click back and open up your profile, here you will get this see all option. Click here and it will open up this discover people window, where you will get this sync your profile info and sync option. If you click on this sync button, it will automatically sync contacts on your Instagram, and then it will show you contacts on these suggestions. So that's how you can find and sync contacts on Instagram in just few easy steps.